Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Greg Price. I'm going to be talking with you about topic development. And the goals for this particular session are to, one, to understand how to identify a researchable topic. And the second one is to look at some possible examples, to look at tools that we can use to develop a topic, and talk about some suggestions on being able to work through refining your topic. So there are some questions that need to be asked. And the first one is, do you really need to spend time looking for a topic? And the answer to that is yes. Very simply, yes. And you'll see it as kind of a research agenda to identifying a topic. So what happens if you can't find a topic that you like? Well, chances are you will. So I wouldn't worry about that. I know that all of you have interests and either you have curiosity about things. So coursework will also help you with that. Another question is, will inspiration at finding a topic just hit me? Possibly, never know. It could be a discussion board in one of your coursework where your instructor poses a question to you and suggests that this is an area that you know may be a researchable topic for a dissertation. And can you change topics? Yeah, sure, you can change topics all the way up until you start your dissertation and even into the prospectus. Other than that, you probably don't want to change your topic. All right, so, really finding a topic is, there's a lot of research associated with this. And, you're going to have a lot of practice in your assignments. The first, let's kind of go through this. So let's say that you have an assignment in one of your courses, and it's a writing assignment. Okay, well, whatever that writing assignment might be, you think the next step is to pick a topic and you're on your way to writing and editing. But actually, what you want to do is you want to review what the project is that is assigned to you, determine a topic, and then start to find literature and sources that can help you to really identify whether this topic is going to be researchable or not researchable. You're going to want to test that topic. And so, it's possible your topic is too large, where it comes back with just thousands and thousands of different possible pieces of literature, which is really difficult to narrow something down, to use to narrow something down. Or maybe, as you find some research that your topic is just too narrow and there is no literature. Well, that's where testing comes in. So you need to kind of go around that cycle, round and round until you really kind of figure it out. So start early on all your assignments. Once you have figured out what the topic is, then you're going to start writing and editing that particular project. And as I've kind of said all along here in this video, work with your assignments to actually identify some potential um, dissertation researchable type of projects that you can sink your teeth into. And coursework is a great way for you to be able to accomplish that and accommodate that. So how do you go about finding this topic? Well, it has to be researchable. It needs to be, you know, you need to be able to define a problem statement around your topic. A researchable topic is one that's been, well, researched, but maybe there's still some questions that have yet to be answered. Um, an example is that my topic was entrepreneurs. Yeah, huge topic, really. But then I kind of narrowed it down to I wanted to know why businesses failed. Still too big. Then I circled the wagon for quite a while on that, and I knew that just through process I was going to be able to figure out what it is that I needed to do. And it takes some time to actually identify this, but the whole process of really, if you have a topic early, it's really you're using your coursework to build your knowledge around the topic, which is not a waste of time at all. You become an expert in finally understanding what this topic is all about, and not only the expert in that specific area, but the expert in the peripheral of that particular topic as well. So let's go into some examples on some topics. There's just, I mean, look at them. There's a team of them right here, and there's many more associated with this. So um, consider, I won't go through these, but look at them yourself. Just consider how you might find them to be of interest to you in certain ways, and and then kind of do your own research as you go through your coursework. So let's say that you found a topic. Yay, right? You're done, sort of, but you are headed in the right direction. So as you develop your topic, it's what you're doing, and as I kind of alluded to this earlier, you're actually going through a circular process. So you find a topic, you research the problem. This is based on your literature. And you go around and round until you've actually defined what the topic is. Now, keep in mind, and this is a little bit deeper, but what you're doing is you're actually identifying where the gap is in the literature and where the problem is. So that is really an excellent way of developing your topic. So keep that in mind. And finally, there's just some tips here, right? So you're in a doctoral program of study. So you're not trying to solve the world's problems. You're doing a student project that is very real, that is very applied. You are learning how to conduct a research study. The dissertation is a time-bound project. When you get out into the real world, you'll find that if you're sponsored, that you also might be bound by time to finish a project. So you really have to narrow your scope of what this is. And that's what we do in the residencies. We help you to give you tools, basically, to bring your topic ideas down into a narrow focus. So another question, a thought question I want you to think about is, does your topic complement your intellectual strengths and background? Think about that. And because these are applied dissertations, you need to actually have them be relevant and timely. So kind of current, right? Is the topic researchable? And I've covered that over and over in this particular video. Is there literature on the topic? Well, that is really defining whether or not you have a topic, right? And of course, is the topic applied? And I've just kind of narrowed that down as well. So I want to thank you for this short video watching this. Is going to be a workshop in the residency, and it's going to be really helpful for you. You're going to really enjoy this to really help you to determine how to find a topic and narrow it down through a researchable process to make it easier on you. And I look forward to working with you on that. And thank you very much.